National Psychiatric Helpline.
I came originally from Peru when I was young kid. Moved to Pennsylvania, went to school there. Once I realized that I wanted to pursue acting, I moved to New York City, went to drama school here, finished it. It was tough. It's a hell of a city to put in that work in, but it's the dream, it's the goal, to become an actor, to do what I love and make a living out of that. Boxing was like a big escape for me, as far as, I mean, I'm in such a negative industry already where I keep getting like doors shut in my face and getting no's and no's. And you gotta have thick skin for that. Not everybody can make that, can take that, can handle that, and keep pushing forward.
As life hangs beside me, I gather all that I can.
To be honest, I didn't even think about coming to the gym today. I think those are the times when I'm doubting to just go home or come to the gym and put in that work. At this point, the outcome has been so good every time I decide to go in and just put in the grind and have a killer workout that at this point it's like, you know what, I'm not gonna go home and take the easy way out. Why not? What am I gonna do? I'm not gonna meet anybody at home. I'm not gonna get anybody's connection or meet someone that could help me or I could help them. It's the dream, it's the goal, to become an actor, to do what I love and make a living out of that, and impact others in the way that I was impacted, the reason why I want to be in the entertainment business, but wherever the road takes me, wherever the opportunities take me, I'm there.